You've listened to political experts, Amache Boatenom. According to an assessment, they've rated Mahama's appointment as appointing competence. Ibinsu say, I'm using the words of Subi MP. I said Mahama's appointment reflected a good relationship between the party and the government. Was a party in the war buying.
Yeah.
And any appointment, there should be a relationship between the party and the government. And even in Bible, Osha Athrena, Shafan Rekacho say, near yen yewo, any day, amount. What we have is what we are giving you. The Mahama war. He looks into the pool of resource persons, and I think, say, for the names up, he has given his top notch. I've heard, say, why another appointment or NCA, National Communications Authority, and one Reverend Edmund Fianko. Reverend Edmund Fianko happens to be the director now in charge of radio and television. It's been there years, even I think Mills time, John Mahama Nankasa time, Akufo-Addo time, and he's a very, very decent and onyo outspoken Fuidi. He's there, or he's at his one corner. I think it's also one of the best appointments I can ever think of. I know him personally, and despite the fact that I know him personally, you know, I won't say on yet too much. Or he's not a political person. He's into the ministry. He's a reverend minister. And anytime we are ubenya a president making appointment for merit, meritocracy, and on the Buama or my tumpon. The countries like Singapore, near they look at the competence. Can you do it? So whether you are there or here, your competency matters. I think John Dramani Mahama, I've heard and seen many posts. NDC phone be so Akufo-Addo time they closed down stations and the thing said Reverend Fianko was there, and therefore look, Reverend Fianko was director for radio and TV. Yes, they had the communication ministry. They had even the director, the NCA boss. Reverend Fianko 10 time it's like radio or general manager and program director. The political leaders, if you should take decisions, and now I mean many radio stations, and then in the Edukra station, as a result of either CES going whatever. There are different reasons for that, but then this is for one any upgrade. I think I can say, so you should have one of the best NCA boss Ghana is going to have if Reverend Edmund Fianko's position is confirmed, because the guy is a fine gentleman, a very innovative, and obey to me a lot at the bar. And this for no, Mebruno should keep quiet. Won't come on to him. Near be a red banner, no. Not always you should know him before, but we are looking at competency. And I think I'll commend John Dramani Mahama for this appointment. It's one of the best he has ever done. Yes, this is Reverend Edmund Fianko, and he's one of the top-notch expert at the field. In fact, for now, NCA, he is the brain, the creme. He knows everything, and he's well vested in his field. And apart from that, he's a reverend minister, and not any other church, but the Methodist Church Ghana. And I think, say, and it's for him to they have one of the finest gentlemen, and will be on the whatever they seek to do with him, and they want to do a better the nation. I think Reverend Edmund Fianko is the best person to do this.
The military, the police.
Oh, I don't think so he will get there.
NCA.
I don't think so it will get there. I don't think it will even get there.
One of the appointments.
They should rather be jubilating. They should rather be jubilating for Reverend Edmund Fianko. No, they should rather be jubilating for Reverend Edmund Fianko.
Top communicators, who is Fianko?
Of course, they don't know him. They don't know him. He is a very reserved type and very decent person.
And this is
they should relate well with him.